Hi viewers, this is Anchal on Spotify with Taza Talks. So today we are welcoming our esteemed guest, Dr. Aarti Dua Kapoor. She is a principal and as well as motivational speaker. And मैं उनकी क्या तारीफ करूं, आज हमारे को सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है हमारे स्टूडियो में वो खुद चल कर आई हैं एंड वेलकम डॉक्टर आरती, वेलकम ऑन ताजा टॉक स्टूडियो. नमस्कार मैम.
Namaste. Hello, everyone.
हाय. सो मैम,
This is
हमारे
great.
व्यूअर्स को जस्ट टेल अस योर ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन.
Thank you for calling me here. This is really nice. Nice experience. Me as a person, I have lived my last 50 years in two different sectors. One is as an educator, and one is a normal corporator and a normal person of life. Any person normally they do have. And we'll talk definitely different my two different lifestyles what we had highly notorious to highly decent personality. I've transformed into it just because of the circumstances I was having, and I got molded into that.
Wow. So ma'am, can you tell us about your journey and what inspired you to become a principal and motivational leader?
So I think journey starts soon after IPS Kiran Bedi. I was 5 year old when she became the first IPS female, and I was highly inspired by them. Till time, she's my unsaid mentor. So I grown up looking at her. I did my ACC, I did my RD camps, and then one fine day when I wanted to enter into the services as a girl child, I was not allowed to do that. However, my parents wanted to me to do wonders in the education, but they never wanted me to go into the definitely police services. Answer, as every girl might have faced in those timing,
Mm-hmm.
how you will get married later. So that tag point was still there, but they were educated enough to let me do whatever I wanted to do. 6 months, I was the toughest person. I had never had a talk with my parents or my any friends. But then I thought, "Ki, what is the plan B? Like, why I wanted to be an IPS officer?" Then I churned myself and then started working into the marketing. I did my MBA marketing, and my journey started with the working as a medical rep. And then because I was a computer literate, soon I entered into the market of computers. Worked as a marketing executive, then center manager to Aptech Arena, and then center manager to Frankfurt Air Hostess Institute. And then I got married. The whole different personality came out of I got my son, and after that I wanted to be there in the market again, but the problem is how to take care of the family as well as son at the simultaneously at the same time. When you have two different sort of responsibilities, you have to go into the midway. My friends and my family suggested me to be a teacher, which the field most hated by me till that time. I entered as a computer teacher, and there's the journey start. I strongly feel teaching is all about passion today, I can say. Everybody gain their experience in their respective fields over a period of time. However, teaching is just a sharing your experiences, your knowledge, your skills, but rather developing a bond with your student. And when they pay you saying ki, I love you ma'am, that was everything sorted. No felicitation required after that. So
Wow.
this is how I joined this profession.
वेरी नाइस मैम. सुन के ही बहुत गूज बम्स आ रहे हैं. तो इट्स लाइक मैम, सो व्हाट आर जो आपके लाइफ में, आपके करियर में, पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल आपके करियर को लेकर के क्या क्या आपके पास चैलेंजेस आए, क्या क्या आपने हर्डल्स फेस किए, वो हमारे व्यूअर्स को आप बताइए.
See, definitely, when I'm coming from the non-teaching background, and because I was very notorious in my school and my family, I was the middle child of my family. We were three sisters, and I was the notorious one out of that because brought up like a boy. सो मेरे पास एक अलग सा एक्सपीरियंस था. बट येस, आई वॉज अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. आई वॉज वेरी क्रिएटिव एंड आई वॉज अ वेरी disciplined person in the sense of the responsibilities. If you say something, Aarti, you have to do, I mean, no matter what, I will complete that. Even my class boys used to depend on me कि if they got stuck somewhere, तो सबसे पहला phone मुझे ही आता था कि ना हमें आके pick कर लो. So I was that kind of a person. And when I came into the school life, it is like too disciplined. People are looking at you consciously, subconsciously, they are following you. It is totally 360-degree. My seat got changed because I was MBA that moment. Experience as a leader into the market. It was little easy for me to start this journey. I still remember in my second or third year of principalship, one child came to me in grade fifth standard, and father came to me sitting on the table, keeping her hands in a like very bossy way, and he said, "I'm giving you my child, and I can only give you my child. I'll take the admission. My child is a meritorious student. If you can keep that 100 out of 100, I'll give you my child." And it was a great challenge that moment. I was so happy to have that kind of challenge. I took the admission. The moment child sat in the class, टीचर आना शुरू कर कि मैम ये बच्चा सुनता नहीं है, ये समझता नहीं है, इसको लिखना नहीं आता, इसको पढ़ना नहीं आता. I said, what is it? He's a meritorious student. They said, I don't know, but he can't. I said, okay, maybe he's new to the school. And after 1 hour, 2 hour, again, next teacher is coming, next teacher. Early morning next year, I went to the class. I said, let me see the child. And I tell you, he was such a chubby, cute-looking boy. And I said, okay, let him sit on the side of the like L shape from the class. Have a look on, keep a look on, keen look on the child, and फिर हम देखते हैं वो कितना settle होता है. But he was not ready to settle. I said, fine. After recess, I called that child into my room, and those days it was a admission session, so a lot of books were there with me. So I said, just pick a book, and whatever the book you want, you just start reading. It was bad luck of him and good luck of mine. He took one storybook, and the moment he opened the book, there was a story of thirsty crow, and it was in Hindi. And he started reading कि एक बार एक कौवा था उसको प्यास लगी वो इधर उधर देख रहा था. So I said, this is not a bookish language. तो मैंने ऐसे I had a look at where you are reading. So he randomly took finger somewhere. He said here. Then I saw. I said, this is not the story you're speaking. You speak word by word. Then I realized he couldn't even read an alphabet out of it. Then I came up with the English storybook. He couldn't read. Numbers he couldn't say after 10. I was really surprised how to answer that parent who was so bossy. Like my child is like meritorious, and you are saying he don't know anything. Then I immediately called the family. Mother got faint in my room. He like child in fifth standard means 10-year-old child not knowing the basics of education. But we molded them, and we started in my room for 3 sections because April is a 1 month. After that, in North we have 2 month of holidays, May, June. So I said we have 3 months. We'll mold the child and we'll make him at least sit in the class. We started the journey, and today I think 2 years back he is BTech Delhi.
Oh,
And he came to me, he touched me, and parents were really for the last so many years here they are into touch, and they're overwhelmed by that, and I think that is my felicitation as a principal.
wonderful, ma'am.
After that, I
Wonderful.
started loving this job.
Wonderful. So, ma'am, how do you motivate and inspire both students and teachers to achieve excellence?
See, what I think in my life is excellence is something abstract, right? The most acceptable thing I can say is one should do. So this is why I'm saying, and this is because as I said, I was very notorious. I was not good at academics. I was good at sports. I was a kind of person. If you say कि आरती बैठ जाओ तो 100% मुझे खड़े ही होना है, right? So I always keep myself in their shoes. If I'm saying something, what is the acceptable line they can take it? So that is how I motivate them. For example, if I wanted to ask a teacher to follow my instruction, I always say ki it will be good if you follow my instruction. Otherwise, you are open to do and ready to take all the consequences also. I don't mind. But I'll prefer if you go with my words. So that is how I motivate. I'm a kind of a leader who work by example, lead by example.
Right. So, मैम कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि हमारे स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट में जैसे अभी आप हैं, तो बहुत टिपिकल एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस आ जाती हैं कि इधर भी संभालना नहीं हो रहा। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स कैसे हैंडल करती हैं आप?
See, coming from services background, I don't understand what is conflict. Conflict is कि आपको चाउमीन खाना है, मुझे रोटी खानी है, right? This is conflict. So I understand there is nothing like that. You always have a midway, only you need to see that. I'll tell you, last 3 days we were into one of the program of the school where it was a 3 day involvement was there. Before that, I was into a program where another 4 days was involved. So
Uh-huh.
since last 10 days, I was working for almost 18 hours without leaving my seat. So
Oh,
I don't understand. Still, I'll say won't conflict. My team is like that now. कि पता ma'am is doing something. मतलब she won't take these answers and she won't understand like there is something wrong. But they come up with all the answers. Now they are problem solvers. I always like now only I have to give कि भैया ये आपको करना है आप ऐसा कर लीजिए and they will come कि yes ma'am this can be done like that. So my now team is ready to do what I used to think.
but I can see one thing that आपके हिसाब से it like if you are committed for something तो आप you have to do it. नहीं
Yes.
कर सकते तो क्लियरली बोलिए,
हम समझते ही नहीं है नहीं
कमिटमेंट मत करिए।
नहीं का हम लोग करते ही नहीं है वी क्लियरली से दिस कैन बी डन दिस कैन नॉट बी दिस इज नॉट माय फोर्टे अगर आप मुझसे चांद लेके आने को बोल रहे हो आई कैन ऑलवेज जंप एंड प्रिटेंड ला नहीं सकते हैं
वाओ! वो आपके मोटिवेशनल लीडर का जब टाइटल आया हमारे पास तो तब तभी हम समझ गए थे। ठीक है, तो मैम क्या ड्राइव लाइक व्हाट ड्राइव्स यू टू कीप पुशिंग टू फॉरवर्ड इवन इन टफ टाइम्स?
आई एम वेरी टफ टू माई सेल्फ आई एम वेरी टफ टू माई सेल्फ आई इफ आई हैव अ body pain that day definitely I'm going to work more than ever. The reason why that is I don't want to give that pain that space. Ki I'm feeling pain. I cannot work today. The moment you start working, this is all about see something in mind. For this also, I wanted to give you one example. I think 10 years back, I met an accident. I'm a very roady person. I always drive. I've traveled from Rajasthan to Kerala of my own with my family, definitely on the roads. And one fine day, I met an accident. I was not driving first time that day, and what was his name is some minister was supposed to come in our school, one of school, and my boss son was driving. I was on the front seat, and we were talking, and he was driving on 120. All of a sudden, I realized his school left behind. I said, "Ankit, piche reh gaya school." He said, "Oh shit!" And then he immediately took 360-degree turn, and we hit this tree. My car went like 45 degree and came back. When we came back, we saw each other. Three people were there. Ankit was driving. I was sitting. One peon was sitting at the back. We saw each other. Everyone was in a good shape. I said, "Great, we just made it." The moment we wanted to come out of the car, I realized that my hand is not moving. My left hand was not moving. And I said, "Ankit, something happened." He said, "Nothing. There's no blood stains." I said, "Okay, but my hand is not moving." Then immediately he come from the other side and he wanted to pull me out, but I couldn't. Then I realized that something happened inside my hand, but there were no cut, no blood stain. Then immediately we rushed to the doctor. After it was morning 5:30. By 6:37, doctor came. Meanwhile, we were sitting like just like that, and he said कि कुछ लग रहा है. As doctors never like open up. He said कि कुछ लग रहा है देखते हैं. Then we did X-ray. We came to know कि my bone was cut into two pieces like this. And it was a huge shock. Then I said कि definitely I'm not going to cut my skin. अभी भी नहीं हुआ तो why should I cut skin? I'm not going for the rod. We'll keep a plaster. I had plaster for almost 4 to 5 months. After that also when it got opened, it was like just a 10% of the bone what got pasted. Rest of them were different only. For the coming 2 years, I was not knowing the fact. I was working perfectly. Only sometime when I used to do something, I'm picking something, I realized that some of the instruction was missing from that, which I think okay, it will maybe after this all this damage. Sometimes it may happen. One fine day, my father was in ICU. However, he's no more now. And we were waiting outside the ICU, and my GRG said, Kyati, you are sitting all the time out here, so let us check your hand also, why you are missing instructions. I said, better. We went to doctor on the same day, and he again asked for the X-ray. And when we saw the X-ray, I mean, bones are hanging like this. He was surprised how you are making your hand move. There I realized again, once again in my life, and it got me thorough the things कि आपका विल पावर सब कुछ है. If you're not good enough to move your body, you won't be able to do. From that day to till time, again 10 years passed, I never have any pain or any sort of thing. You have to work in the morning, you have to get up 3:34 in the morning, you have to. You have to sleep 9, you have to, no matter what. People still like ask me, you are sitting in the Mumbai and Mumbai has nightlife. Have you been to? I said, I've been to once or twice. I've seen that. But my schedule won't disturb after that. So this is what I have seen the challenges in my life.
And still, it is like that. You're born.
I have now rod. I got operated after that.
So, ma'am, can you share a success story that stands out in the career?
Success story. I don't know.
आई
Success.
नो बहुत सारी होंगी, पर कोई ऐसी जो आपको कभी
I don't know.
भूलती
I
ना हो?
don't find myself a successful person. I'm just a humble person. People know me for me as I am. For the last, I think, 30 years of working experience, I know each and every person who was connected with me, right from person who is earning 1 rupee and who is earning 1 lakh rupees. Every person is in touch with me. If that is success, yes, I am very much success. People, my students know me. They are very much connected to me through the social media, on mobile, in calls and everything. If that is success, yes, I am success. Every point of my life is a success. I'm taking this breath, that is the greatest success. I'm not a religious person. However, I'm very much, I can say, believe in the positivity. I believe in the power of positivity. There is some power. We are having this life, we are going and coming. A lot of people are going and coming. So that power, I definitely pray.
Hats off to you.
Thank you.
But you are not a religious person. Why so?
I'm spiritual. I'm not religious. There's a difference. Religions means anyone will come and say कि भगवान आपको देख रहा है और हमको 2 रुपए दे दो. I'm not that kind of person. भगवान आपको देख रहा है और आप पूजा के लिए पैसे दे दो. I'm not kind of a person. भगवान आपको देख रहा है, आपको व्रत करना ही है. No. I'm spiritual. I want to pray God for my sake. I can't leave food for भगवान क्योंकि भगवान ने आपको कभी नहीं कहा कि आप खाना छोड़ के मेरी पूजा करो, राइट? भगवान ने आपको कभी नहीं कहा कि आपको ऑरेंज कलर ही पहनना है या ग्रीन कलर ही पहनना है. भगवान ने आपको ये भी कभी नहीं कहा कि आपको व्रत रखना है और मैं आपका भूखे पेट नहीं सुनूंगा. इफ यू हैव दैट instinct in you कि you are not doing anything wrong, भगवान is with you. Right, if you are not doing any harm to any person or any living being, Bhagwan is with you and you are God to them. So that is how I think. So I'm not religious, I'm very much spiritual.
वंडरफुल मैम. बहुत मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके.
Thank you. I mean, you appreciate this because hardly people understand what I'm saying.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आउट ऑफ दिस बॉक्स, आउट ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट, इनफैक्ट मैं डेफिनेटली आपसे बात करने वाली हूँ. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपकी बातें सुन के. एंड ये सिर्फ सुन के नहीं, लाइक कि मुझे कुछ अपने अंदर फील हो रहा है. यस, बहुत पॉजिटिविटी. थैंक यू
Right.
सो मच.
Always be
So,
there.
how do you encourage with the community of involved parents the educational journey of students?
So that is very important part. See, as a girl, because I was very rebellious girl, so definitely when I had my son, and one fine day, as a husband and wife, normally you have hard conversations we were having, and he was looking from the corner. I realized कि like this should something he could not see at that age. Immediately, I stopped doing that, and from the rebellious person, I became a genuine, as a lip-sealed person in front of child. I used to have I used to breathe, I used to speak, but not in front of him. So, I mean, slowly, he also became the person कि हमें कुछ भी नेगेटिव कभी नहीं बोलना और सोचना होता है. हमको जब कुछ बोलना है तो अच्छे वे में भी हम अपनी बात रख सकते हैं. So, for example, like if he is with me, I wanted to tell my family कि I'm not connecting what you are saying. So I always used to say कि let me have some time to think over. I'll come back on this. तो उस समय हम उससे उस समय बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. बाद में जब हम आपको टाइम मिलेगा हम बात कर लेंगे. तो he started taking things that way. When he was in 10th, I'll tell you, बोर्ड के अंदर हमारे देश में इतना प्रेशर है बोर्ड का. As a principal also I'll say, people give 18 hours, 20 hours and then they go into the depression. फिर मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं तो पेरेंटल प्रेशर, सोसाइटी प्रेशर कि भैया 20 घंटे आप पढ़ रहे थे, आपने किया क्या, right?
राइट.
My son was going to this movies in between the boards. एंड उसके फ्रेंड्स की पेरेंट्स आके कहते थे कि योर बिकॉज योर सन इज गोइंग, यू आर स्पॉइलिंग आवर किड्स. तो ऐसे कि देखो मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ, आई एम सॉरी टू से. तो अगर आपका बच्चा आपकी नहीं सुन रहा है तो आप मेरे पास भेज दो, मैं उनको बोल देती हूँ कि वो आपकी सुनेगा, बट मेरा बच्चा तो जाएगा डेफिनेटली, राइट. So that way we used to convince. We got good number. He passed 10th with 78. I'm happy as a parent. Maybe not good these days. He passed in 2017. I was too happy क्योंकि मैंने कभी उतने नंबर कभी लाइफ में नहीं लिए थे. और 78 is a good percentage to take admission anywhere. Now he's MBA finance from Dublin University. So I'm happy. मुझे नंबर से मतलब नहीं, मुझे मेरा बच्चा हंसता खुशता खेलता चाहिए. नंबर्स तो आते जाते रहेंगे. एंड व्हाई यू नीड नंबर्स, नंबर वन, राइट, फॉर नेम फेम एंड मनी इन द कमिंग अप ईयर्स दैट यू विल गेट. आज तो यूट्यूबर सबसे ज्यादा कमाते हैं.
आई थिंक
So
मैम, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्टेस्ट पॉडकास्ट. और मैं आई थिंक वहाँ से आपको कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक दैट कि मेरा बच्चा हंसता खेलता रहे. दैट इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. नंबर से
exactly,
मुझे भी नहीं आता, तो ठीक है. यू आर डूइंग इन योर गुड योर लाइफ,
exactly.
तो वो मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत बेस्ट है. माई सन इज़ लाइक ही इज़ अ गूगल वेरीफाइड प्रोफेशनल
Oh,
एंड ही मेक एप्स, और वो 5 साल की उम्र से कर रहा है.
see
और
the
आज उसको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए बुलाया गया है. सो
amazing,
लेकिन उसने इतना
amazing.
कभी नहीं किया कि ये नहीं है. वो भी बोर्ड्स में जाता था, मूवीज जाना है, तो मैं बहुत कुछ कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ. एंड यू आर वंडरफुल पर्सन, वंडरफुल मदर, गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग. आई थिंक कुछ है ही नहीं जो नहीं है आपके पास.
Thank you. I'm just I mean, small creature in this world.
सीरियसली, अगर हर माँ, हर टीचर और हर औरत आपके जैसी हो तो फिर आई थिंक हमारे इंडिया में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी ही नहीं.
Seriously, yes, yes, I can connect that.
ये सच
Definitely.
बात है. बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ तक हम, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली ने रोक दिया. मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स है. मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे हस्बैंड मना करते हैं. व्हाट, आप चाहो तो आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, तो आप ब्लेम मत दो.
See, I'll tell you, biggest problem is because you're coming from north, you might have faced it more also coming from Punjabi family. Same here. Ki as a mother, we want our child to do a lot of things, right? बट एज अ पर्सन हमने खुद कभी नहीं वो किया होता है और हम उनको करने भी नहीं देते हैं क्योंकि हमने नहीं किया है. हम चाहते हैं, जैसे माई मदर ऑलवेज पुश्ड मी डू वट एवर. मतलब पापा का तो ये था कि 7 बजे आप घर घुस जाओ, वट एवर यू डू इन लाइफ योर लाइफ. मेरे पास बस एक कोई मतलब आके ये नहीं बोले कि आपकी बेटी दुआ साहब वहां खड़ी थी या वो कर रही थी, उसके अलावा यू आर फ्री टू डू. ठीक है. बट वेन इट कम्स टू एक्चुअल जॉब शी ऑल्सो डिनाइड. एंड माई फादर क्लियर सेड अपनी माँ को मना ली, मुझे कोई. So I mean it was other way side saying no. So that is
मैम,
how life is.
अगर मैं बात करूँ आपकी प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ को, तो आप उसको कैसे बैलेंस रखती हैं?
See, again, I'm saying till my son was in 8th standard, I was very much. I came into this job कि अब part time job है, ये 12 1 बजे बच्चा free, आप भी free. But no more now. These days, teaching is a half day job. It's a almost more than 8 hours job now. So till he was in 8th standard, I enjoyed this, and it was really difficult because उसको भी classes लेना होता था. But he made me, again, I'm saying, totally different person. I was the kind of person who used to get up 9:30, 10. मम्मी मुझे डांट डांट के उठाया करते थे, and now I'm getting 3:30 just because of him. And he is a early this rider. सुबह उठ के मामा भूख लगी है, मम्मा क्या करूँ, मम्मा क्या करूँ. तो instead of giving him TV, I used to think कि ये यही time I can consume for the academics. तो मैं उसको सुबह उठ को पहले उसको पढ़ा लिया करती थी. 1 डेढ़ घंटा होमवर्क करवाना, याद करवाना. वैसे याद करने वाला बच्चा, ही वॉज नेवर अ रोट लर्नर, तो वो मुझे कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ा. बट होमवर्क होमवर्क जो भी करवाना था, आई यूज टू डू इन द मॉर्निंग. Then he again, he go to bed, and I used to have my breakfast arrangement, tiffin arrangements, and all for him, for me, and the family, and kind of a thing. एंड फिर उसको उठा के नहला धुला के भेज दिया, और फिर खुद भी चले गए. जब वापस आते थे तो वो भी सोता था, हम भी आराम कर लेते थे. एंड देन 9 o'clock he sleeps, me sleep, and then morning again. So this otherwise this timetable started with him, and now it's a habit. So that is how I manage. But I'm a very social person, I'll tell you. My younger sister, she's a wonderful lady, but only the one grudge she's having with me is, मेरे friends तेरे friends क्यों हैं? So, because I'm very talkative and she is less talkative, so she always used to say, कि whomsoever I met and I bring at home, no, they always be friends with you, and later they are more connected to you than me. That is her greatest grudge.
हाँ मैम, आपका तो कोई भी फ्रेंड बन सकता है.
Thank you.
कहीं ना
I'm
तो आपका कोई
laughing.
फ्रेंड बन के कुछ लेके ही जाएगा.
Touch wood.
या तो मैम, एज इन, जैसे आप मोटिवेशनल लीडर भी रही हैं, आप स्पीकर भी रही हैं, तो हाउ डू यू मेंटर अदर्स?
I only say one thing to everyone, every person who is coming to me, never think negative. अगर आप if you pour salt in the water, you will get salty water. If you pour sugar, you will get a sweet water. अगर आप ये बोलोगे कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा, मेरे से वो नहीं हो रहा, थिंग्स ऑल गेट चार्ज नेगेटिव थिंग्स टुवर्ड्स यू. आप सब ये सब बोलोगे कि अभी टाइम नहीं है, बट मैं कल कर लूंगी, अभी मैं ये कर लूं पहले, फिर मैं वो कर लूंगी. पॉजिटिव थिंग्स कमिंग स्टार्टेड टू यू, and the more positive things coming started to you, you will start thinking more actively and more wisely. तो आपको कभी ऐसा सोचने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा कि हम ये काम नहीं कर सकते, या ये काम मेरे बस का नहीं है. For example, I'll tell you, if you're standing on the road and you had an accident, some other person had, and you were there, आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? उसको उठाओगे, कॉल करोगे हेल्पलाइन पे. आप वहां पे ये बैठ के ये नहीं सोचोगे कि मैं अब क्या करूं. वो जेन्युइनली आपके पास आएगा. तो सेम वे, एवरीथिंग दैट कमिंग टू योर वे इज एन एक्सीडेंट. आप बैठे हो, आपके सामने एक प्रॉब्लम चल के आ गया, इज एन एक्सीडेंट इन योर लाइफ, राइट? बिकॉज यू हैव नेवर कॉल्ड इट. आप बैठे हो और आपके पास कोई 2 जने लड़के हुए आपसे सॉल्यूशन मांग रहे हैं, इट्स एन एक्सीडेंट. सो थिंक पॉजिटिवली कि हमें बी अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, कि उसका पॉजिटिव क्या हो सकता है. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दैट वे, no problem will be a problem. So that is how I motivate everyone.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो मैम, अगर हम बात करते हैं फ्यूचर ऑफ एजुकेशन, तो जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि आप स्कूल में हैं, आप प्रिंसिपल हैं, कैसे एक्सपेंशन आपका 2025 में क्या लेकर के है, क्या इन्विजन है आपका?
See, definitely next generation is a AI generation. Abhi, they are not naive to technology, right? They are born with that. Especially this alpha is going and beta generation is coming for that from the next year. So saying no to technology is different. When you are into the classrooms, you are on the paper. As soon as you come out of the classroom, you're on technology. So definitely we need to connect these. Your classroom should be equivalent to their home. पहले क्या होता था कि हमारे पास सिर्फ बुक्स ही होती थी, एंड हम लोग स्कूल में बैठ के बुक, एंड एवरीथिंग इज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. व्हेन वी रीच होम, again it's a black and white. There are letters, there are people writing, we are listening to news, which is again into the writing, or there were newspapers. Everything is black and white. Now what is happening is, we are onto black and white in the school, and at home we are only technology based services we are getting. Alexa, Bixby, right? And taking help of Google. Now AI is there. So we need to connect these. Now we are, even in our school, we are doing that, converting classes in more into AI. अभी आपका writing more will be lesser than your online thing. मतलब आप images देखो, आपको learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप videos देखो, आप you understand the concept, you do it by yourself. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा NEP के अंदर concept आ रहा है DIY. NEP says practically learning, integrated learning. Integrated learning मतलब if you are learning about water, so all the subjects are integrated into that. Maths will tell how to measure water in the liters. Social studies will tell you how this rain is coming, where the sea water is going, and all. Languages are telling about the details of the water. Science is telling about the content of the water. So that way they are integrated, and practically you are doing in the classes, and then you're looking at the videos. No rote learning, nothing like that. They just need to answer. Another time I'll tell you post 25, 26. So they will definitely, maybe online answers they will be providing. So that kind of future I'm looking at.
Ma'am, what is the best piece of advice you have ever received?
Piece of advice. I don't know. I don't remember at this moment. My mother used to give advice, which I can I can always say कि कभी किसी के लिए ऐसा मत सोचो कि जस्ट डोंट टेक एनीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड. अब अगर आप किसी के लिए कुछ गलत करोगे तो आपको भी मिलेगा. तो इसलिए ऑलवेज बी गुड टू अदर्स. दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट एडवाइस माय मदर हैज गिवन एंड आई थॉरोली फॉलो her. And she's a kind of lady who has never seen life beyond the family. And her learnings are really with us. And what we are today is just because of my parents.
You're blessed.
Yes, actually.
तो मैम, चलते चलते एक अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि हमारे इंडिया के वुमेन्स को एक मैसेज आपकी तरफ से देना है, तो आप क्या देना चाहेंगे?
Be yourself. Be yourself. See, you are the powerful person in this world. Don't lose your dignity. See, following instructions and taking instructions are two different things, right? What normally girls do कि शादी हो गया है तो भगवान मिल गए हमको, राइट? भगवान जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है. देयर इज अ पॉजिटिविटी यू नीड टू फॉलो. तो आप भगवान मानो उनको. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मत मानो, नहीं तो सारी 50% जनरेशन बिहाइंड माई मी एंड माई लाइफ. भगवान इन द सेंस फॉलो देयर इंस्ट्रक्शंस बट थिंक बैलेंस्ड वे कि अगर मुझे नहीं बोलना है कभी, हमें बोलना चाहिए. For example, my one of teacher 2 days back, we were having this teachers tour, and she said कि my husband is saying you need not to go. जब स्कूल में आपको पढ़ाना तो है नहीं तो आपको क्यों जाना है? I said, your husband said no. Can you please ask कि it is between the working hours? तो अगर आप working hours के अंदर पढ़ा रहे हो या मस्ती कर रहे हो, it is none of, I mean, his business and it doesn't matter to him. तो शी सेड कि मैम ऐसा तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. मैंने कहा आप ये शब्दों को मत बोलो, लेकिन आपको जैसा भी सही लगता है. यू आर आउटसाइड हाउस ओनली बिटवीन दोज वर्किंग आवर्स, और हम आपसे कुछ गलत नहीं करवा रहे हैं. यही आपका पूरा स्टाफ आपके साथ रहेगा. हम सिर्फ स्कूल के अंदर नहीं होकर हम एक पार्क में होंगे. दैट्स इट. एंड शी कम्स फ्रॉम वेरी congested family, and you can say kind of family, I mean, you never think about. Very humble family.
Orthodox.
Orthodox to nahi bolungi, they are quite modern. But it's a kind of family where, I mean, females are really bahu is restricted kind of a thing.
Okay.
I don't know what she did. She said I'll manage to come half day. मैं आऊंगी सुबह फिर चली आऊंगी. I said okay, half day तो चाहिए, मुझे तो चाहिए कम से कम, as a your presence yours required. I don't know what she did and what she said at home, but next day she was available for all the 8 hours. हम लोग थोड़ा 1 घंटा लेट भी हो गए थे, but she was there and she was happy. And she came to me कि मैम आपसे मैंने ये चीज सीखी है कि अगर हमें किसी भी बात को दूसरे के सामने प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है. I said I'm really humble and I'm thankful कि आपने वो बात माना और उसको पॉजिटिव वे में लिया. So this is what I can say to the women. अपनी बात रखो. जरूरी नहीं कि सामने वाला मना भी करे. सर्फ एक्सेल बोलता है दाग अच्छे हैं, बोलोगे तभी काम चलेगा, बिना बोले तो कुछ नहीं मिलता है।
बहुत बहुत सुंदर बातें करती हैं मैम। नहीं बट एक्चुअली वही वही दिख रहा है कि आप बात नहीं कर रही हैं, आप उसको मतलब इट मीन्स अ लॉट।
बिकॉज यू आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर, दे आर नॉट गिविंग यू। एक छोटा बच्चा भी जब तक वो रोता नहीं है, हमें थोड़ी पता चलता है कि उसको भूख लगी है। तो एज अ वुमेन, इंडियन वुमेन, वी नेवर आस्क फॉर, ठीक है ना, इट्स नॉट राइट। दिस इज, आई मीन, यू लिव लाइक दैट एज अ ह्यूमन, यू हैव योर ओन डिमांड्स, योर बॉडी डिमांड, योर मी टाइम। ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? ये सब यहीं से तो निकल के आ रहा है।
राइट।
क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि एवरीवन, मैन इज गोइंग आउटसाइड एंड यू आर स्टक एट होम। इफ यू आर वर्किंग, देन टू यू हैव लॉट ऑफ अदर इश्यूज टू बैलेंस द बोथ कल्चर, प्रोफेशनल पर्सनल। लेकिन मेल्स आर जनरली फ्री एट होम, तो उनके पास मी टाइम होता है और हमारे पास नहीं होता है। और हम उसको बना के रख सकते हैं अगर आप अपना एनवायरनमेंट एंजॉय करें तो।
परफेक्ट। तो मैम आप हमारे को और हमारे व्यूअर्स को हमें अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल यहाँ पे शेयर कर सकती हैं तो कर दीजिए, सो दैट पीपल कैन अप्रोच यू डायरेक्टली फॉर योर सर्विसेज। जैसे आप मोटिवेशन स्पीकर भी हैं और स्कूल में आप प्रिंसिपल भी हैं, तो कोई आपसे डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करना चाहे तो आप अपना सोशल मीडिया हैंडल या शेयर कर दीजिए।
So, my name suggests Dr. Aarti Dua Kapoor. If you can Google it, you will get easily on Facebook, on Instagram, on X, and as well as this LinkedIn.
ओके, वंडरफुल। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम हमारे
Thank
स्टूडियो
you
में
for
आने के
calling
लिए।
me. This is really nice talking to you, and I just love your smile and the way when your aura is. I'm really humbled to talk to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You made my day. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.